Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Land Rover Vela 2018. Have a look the dashboard. Customer complaining all warning light on the dashboard. First of all, I'll plug in my computer. I'll start the car. You can see the dashboard. ABS sign on. Stability control not available. AEB not available, and this side you can see the traction control light on again. Parking brake sign orange. Yeah, emergency brake assistant not available. Right, that's a problem at the moment. Like this problem, very difficult to say. I need a computer support. Right, lot of faulty code. One faulty code for the engine management also. Well, speed limit because of the ABS. Front right wheel speed sensor no signal at the moment. This is the faulty code we worried. C0034-31. We'll see what's going on for the these faulty codes. Right, okay. Data stream, wheel speed, left rear, front right, rear right, left front. Okay. Right, basically at the moment we are worried about right front wheel speed sensor, driver side front. What I'm going to do, I will take a car backward and forward and have a look what's going on. Right, we'll see what happened. I'll go forward. You can see all three other wheels work as should be, but front right side wheel speed sensor not working. Okay, I will remove the wheel and come back to you. I need to remove this clip. I need to slightly remove this cover. It's holding with Phillips screws. Right, this wheel latch hold with the screws and like this clips and one 10mm nut inside. Once I remove wheel latch, you can see I can read to the here. Yeah, I can't see any damage for the wiring. Yeah, I'll remove connector from here. Then what we need to do in here, we need to remove this screw, Allen head screw here. You can see this Allen head screw we need to remove. What I did, I'll spray WD-40 here before we start the job. I'll spray again 30 T30 screw. I need to line to the correct place first, and I'll give the small tip. You need to little bit tap to the edge, make sure it's all way in. After that you can remove very gently. Yeah, WD-40 work. We'll see, hopefully it will come out easily. No, we need to use the flyer, slowly wiggle up and down. Once I take out the whole sensor, I'll come back to you. Right, I already took it out the sensor. visually I can't see any damage. Pin okay. Yeah, next step, this is the part number if you need from the main dealer, because I couldn't find the aftermarket part for this car. Once you remove this bag, you can't return this part. Right. Okay, no worries. Next step, I will compare all sensor and the new sensor. Yeah, tip same, all good, and the length, yeah, yes, yeah, and two pin, yeah, all good for me. I'll give the small tip when you're going to install. Slightly apply grease around this area when you're going to remove next time. It will easy for you, not for the tip, yeah, just for the this area. Right. Then I need to install and go with the clip here, clip there, install. After that, I'll install the wheel and come back to you. Hopefully, you know once you remove how we're going to install opposite way. We install everything back. Now, time to play with the computer. I'll start the car first. Still all light as should be. First of all, I'll take it backward and forward and have a look what's the meter reading with the computer. Yes, you can see the all work as should be now, and also have a look the dashboard. All funny warning light went off. Two-wheel drive only. Yeah, it's fine. Press OK. Yeah, at the moment all light disappeared himself. I didn't do anything with the computer, but however I'll take a road test and come back to you. Yeah, we went nice road test. You saw the all figures there, but however you can see the dashboard nice and clear, no any funny warning light. Right, next step, I'm exit from here, read faulty codes and clear. Yeah, all cleared. Yeah, you don't want to clear, but better to make sure no faulty code there. Sometime when you use longer, it might be trigger up faulty codes. Anyway, if you have a like this problem, no need to panic. Go with the step by step. You will get the answer like this. See you in the next video.